Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the hard drive in your Lenovo IdeaPad 5. In this video, we will guide you through each step of the process to ensure a smooth upgrade. Let's get started. Tools you'll need: Phillips number 00 screwdriver. Plastic opening tool. Anti-static wrist strap, recommended. New hard drive, compatible with Lenovo IdeaPad 5. Clean cloth for dust removal. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Find a clean, flat surface to work on. Make sure to have all your tools within reach. If you're unsure about performing this upgrade, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and effort. Step 2. Power down and unplug. Before you begin, shut down your laptop completely and unplug the power adapter. For added safety, remove the battery if your model allows it. Step 3. Open the back panel. Using the Phillips number 00 screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Place the screws in a small container for safekeeping. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back panel. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips. Step 4. Locate the hard drive. Once the back panel is removed, locate the hard drive. It will typically be housed in a metal bracket. You may see additional screws securing the hard drive in place. If you don't have the tools needed, remember we can assist with pickup and delivery at your home to make this process easier. Step 5. Remove the old hard drive. Unscrew any screws holding the hard drive in place. Gently disconnect the SATA connector from the motherboard. Carefully lift the hard drive out of its compartment. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a clean cloth. This will help maintain optimal performance. Step 6. Install the new hard drive. Now, take your new hard drive and align it with the SATA connector. Gently press it into place until it clicks. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. If you're unsure about the installation, you can always reach out for a quote before repair from our services. Step 7. Close the back panel. Once the new hard drive is securely installed, align the back panel with the laptop and press down gently to ensure it snaps back into place. Reinsert and tighten all screws to secure the panel. Step 8. Power on your laptop. Reconnect the power adapter and turn on your Lenovo IdeaPad 5. If everything is properly connected, your laptop should boot up successfully. You may need to format the new hard drive, depending on its previous use. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the hard drive in your Lenovo IdeaPad 5. If you encountered any issues or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer no calls, no travel services for your convenience. Our team is ready to assist you with any further upgrades or repairs you may need. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.